Hi, this is Kate, and as you know, I am totally obsessed with bags, and I am here today to open this box. This is not a Gucci box, this is not a Chanel box, this is Aupen, Aupen. You may have bought one of their bags off of Instagram, which I certainly did, and I'm here to open it for you today. Generally, I would not buy a bag off of Instagram, but what can I say? Instagram knows how to get you. This bag is the Nirvana bag. It has been seen out and about with Kylie Jenner and Taylor Swift. Me and everyone else in America has figured if it's good enough for them, it is good enough for me. It is at a very very reasonable price point. So I decided to give it a try. Yes, sometimes you might want to carry a less expensive bag. And this seemed like a good opportunity to get one. Now, I do have to admit, which is not going to be shocking for those of you who watch my other videos, I did get two. I'm also such a sucker for the first time, promo code. So I got a discount. I got two, I believe. I believe I got a pink one and a black one, but we'll have to open it up and see how they look. They do obviously have a return policy, but unless I'm mistaken, I think it's like $85 to return a bag. So even if I don't like these, I don't think I will return them, but let's open it up and see how it is. I just got home from work. I'm in a work outfit, but Chalupa is here with us tonight wearing her pearl necklace. Carmelita is sleeping in the bedroom, but who knows? Maybe she'll get excited when I open this box and she'll come see what it's all about. This is fresh from UPS, well, a couple weeks ago, so it still has the mailing tape on it. I am not exactly sure how it opens. Of course, my nails aren't going to do us any favors in that regard. Ooh, wow. That was almost a disaster. Okay, opening the box. Aupen, Aupen, does come with two nice dust bags. So far, I'm not opposed to this. I hear a little plastic in there for shipping. Sturdy box. It's no Dior box, but it's no Dior price either, No complaints thus far. So I believe that these are two identical bags, except for the color. All right, take a little peek. We'll save the pink one and open this dust bag. And here is the Nirvana. It is very cute. It is asymmetrical, obviously. It has a very cute charm on it right there. I got the addition with the textured strap, which I like. For those of you who watch me regularly, I generally am not a fan of a basic black leather. I like the caviar leather. I like chevron. I like something with a little bit more texture or uniqueness. But this little handle is a nice accent. So let's open the pink and compare. Is the pink. Very, very cute. The pink has a different strap because I did get the little upgrade with the black bag, and the pink bag comes with the braid, which is cute. So two different but similar looks. Open these up. All right, so carrying the bag, I prefer carrying bags by their handles like this. Again, it's a little bit different with these because they are asymmetric, but it is cute. And you can slide it over your shoulder as well. And I like that look quite a bit. So you can take this out on an event where you're a little bit nervous if something's going to happen to your bag. For me, I'm most nervous going to a sporting event and the movies because I'm always afraid that if I end up spilling on it or having it be too big and not being able to sit with it comfortably. I think I'm gonna like these. I will fill you guys in on how I wear them and what's I think, once they are out in the wild. Let me show you quickly what is going to fit in it. I knew Carmelita would come on out when we started really talking the bags, like any diva. She likes to make an entrance. This isn't like one of my work bags where everything will fit in it, but I think quite a bit will. First and foremost, here is my phone. I have the big phone, so that can be an issue with small bags, but you can see in here that there's plenty of room besides my phone. As I mentioned, I am fresh home from work, so I snagged the stuff that was in my work bag. I have my headphones, I have my small wallet slash credit card holder, and a lip gloss. Here are some glasses without a case, but just so you guys get an idea, this is all fitting very easily in here with plenty of extra room. Based on the room that is left, it definitely would have fit a glasses case or a sunglasses case. Probably not both, especially with the Gucci sunglass case. Here's a Prada case, which is even more obnoxious than the Gucci case. So this is going to take a little more maneuvering, but will this fit? Yes, it will fit. But that case is so big. Let's see if I can slide the phone in on the side, the wallet on top. Really having this extra bit of space with the asymmetrical line is quite helpful. I can even tuck my AirPods in there, and it might just be a little too big for the lip gloss, but let's see. Let's see if I can maneuver this so that it will all fit. All right, I'm going to keep the AirPods out, even though I don't go anywhere without the AirPods. This is not going to fit. So I would not recommend using your Prada sunglass case with this bag, but anything else, you should be good to go. Now I even have in 2 AirPods, a wallet, a phone, a lip gloss, and I could certainly fit, although not the Prada sunglass case, a smaller sunglass or glasses case, keys, and a bigger wallet for sure. The 2 different Nirvanas with the 2 different handles. This is the Nirvana Kiss, and this is Nirvana Blush. I went into my closet to see what bags I had that were most similar as far as how I would wear and use the bag. Happily, well, you can judge for yourself. I didn't have really any black bags that I felt like were ultra similar. I think it will come down to, even if a bag isn't similar, when will I really use these instead of one of my nicer bags? But we already addressed that with events where I want a more casual bag, or I don't want to worry too much about what is going to happen, if anything, to my bag. These would also be easy to pack for a trip because, again, you're not worried as much about maintaining the shape. I mean, to take super good care of it when you're traveling. We have the Nirvana and the Nirvana Kiss. Let me show you the 2 bags that I picked out of my closet that are the most similar. I have the pink croc embossed Balenciaga City Tote. I believe this is the mini size. It might be the small. I haven't used this bag in a minute, given the problems that Balenciaga is having, but everything blows over, and I look forward to using this again. For a while, this was my first date bag. It's cute. I, of course, like a structured bag. It is certainly more structured than, depending on how much you love bags, you could be like, they're very similar, or you could be like, they're nothing alike. So I would use them, though, probably at fairly similar times. Either quick little shopping trip, not going out for drinks, going on a little date. This wouldn't necessarily be a dinner bag for me. It's a little casual with the like tassels and everything that has going on, but it would be a great drinks or cocktails bag. going over to a friend's house. And again, I would use this bag for a lot of the same things. They are different colors. It's always kind of hard to tell in my lighting, but this is very much like bubblegum pink. And this is a blush. And I only have a couple blush bags, so a little bit more neutral. The pink is less in your face. So at first I thought when I was looking in my closet that this was the only bag that I was going to have that was similar. But I realized there was a part of my closet I was not looking in. And I do think that the most similar bag that I have is this Prada 2021 Shirling little like Sherpa material bag, which is super cute, was quite frankly overpriced. I can admit that, but it is very cute. Living in Arizona, it is hard to find times to use this bag, but pretty super cute. But even I can admit that these two bags are fairly similar. I'm laughing because I can imagine what my parents would say if they saw these two bags. And yes, even I can admit they are similar. Balenciaga has the tassels, has much more structure, has a wider base, and has the shoulder strap. But these two bags really are similar. This one has the advantage of being a year-round bag. This bag is purely a winter bag. And again, I live in Phoenix, so that doesn't happen very often. It is a light color, so I can use it in Phoenix, and it's super cute. So I'm going to compare though what will fit in each of these bags compared to the Nirvana. I'm curious because the Nirvana does have like this interesting shape. We're going to put my phone into the Prada bag, the wallet, my headphones, both headphones, just to add more things in there, and my lip gloss, and it fits in here easily. Will a glasses case fit in there as well? Yes. So the Sherpa bag from Prada is going to hold more than the Nirvana. And let's see about the neoclassic Balenciaga tote, if it's going to fit everything that this Prada bag did. The glasses, I think, are going to be the big wild card. But given the fact that this Balenciaga bag is wider on the bottom, I think all of this stuff might fit fairly easily. Yeah, maybe only one pair of the headphones, but really, even for me, that's all you need. So everything fit in here minus one pair of the AirPods. That's how my bags, my closet stacks up to the Nirvana. You know that I have a fickle hot and cold relationship with the shoulder strap. This is a bag where I do like the shoulder strap. I generally don't wear it over my shoulder, but I like the look of the strap hanging down. It goes with the look of the tassels, and I like the way this looks. So when I was in my closet looking for bags that would be similar to the Nirvana and I saw this strap, I wondered to myself what would happen if I put a different strap on the Nirvana bag to see how that would work. I just picked one of the straps. I'm guessing this is from a Dior bag, but okay. So I'm just going to hook it here onto the Nirvana bag. I think it'll look good with the chain. I don't know if I really like it with the white on top, but this is for demonstration purposes only. Here, wearing it with that strap hanging down, I actually think that is a good look. I like it. It adds a little depth to this bag. You can have it over your shoulder with this hanging down, or if you're wearing a coat, something with a heavier sleeve, and it's kind of a pain to slide the smaller handle on and off, you could wear it like this. You could even then wear it crossbody, which I'm not a crossbody bag girl at all, but this isn't bad, yeah. With the black bag, I have some black leather straps that I could use to accent it, or again, you could wear it with a chain. You want to see how the hardware goes together and whether you're using a chain strap or an all leather strap. I would not put a scarf over the handles of these bags the way I do with like Sweeties or a lot of my Dior bags. Both of these handles are interesting enough. This one is braided and this one is like a croc embossed. So I think that is sufficient. And they are not a structured strap, so the scarf around it really wouldn't hold. If you wanted to do something more with it, it does have a charm, so I think that will be sufficient. But if you wanted to also tie a scarf hanging down, you could do that as well. I wouldn't go that route with this bag. I do, however, like it with the chain. So here we go. Again, holding it up and having the strap come down. Again, I wouldn't wear it with the white, but I do like it with the handles. I look forward to using this bag, and we'll do a post letting you know how I like it when I have them out about town. But can't beat the price point. I can make a great gift and just a way to vary your wardrobe at not a great expense. So happy to share my obsession with you. I am Kate. I am obsessed with bags. Totally obsessed. Thanks. Bye.